If you're new to the game and eager to ride those waves, get ready because in this video, we'll be listing down the top 5 wakeboards for beginners available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best wakeboards for beginners. The 5th product on this list is the Zup You Got This 2.0. Wakeboarding is an activity that combines fun and sportsmanship, especially if you use the Zup You Got This 2.0, the ultimate water adventure companion that's set to revolutionize your fun on the waves. This fantastic board and handle combo is not your average ride. It's a multifunctional powerhouse that brings excitement to everyone, no matter their water sports prowess. Designed to be incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners, this wakeboard boasts integrated side handles coated with soft rubber, ensuring an exceptional grip for riders to take full control of their water escapades. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this board has got you covered. With this product, you'll be able to embark on a variety of activities with ease, as it lets you wakeboard, wake surf, kneeboard, boogie board, water ski, and even enjoy a thrilling tube ride, all in one awesome package. Another factor that makes this board stand out is its durability. It is crafted with ABS molded construction, which means it can handle the rough and tumble of water adventures, staying in top-notch condition even after countless rides. Plus, there's an EVA foam padding which ensures a plush and comfortable experience, promising years of enjoyment for all ages. Its pros are: it comes equipped with a nifty integrated tow hook, it has slip-in foot straps for maximum safety, and its handles let you change position comfortably. However, its footstrap design may lead to a slight discomfort when trying certain moves or tricks, especially if you're the kneeboarding type. Whether you're in the mood to pull off epic tricks or just leisurely cruise along the waves, the Zup You Got This 2.0 is an all-in-one thrill seeker's dream that will ensure you have an absolute blast on the water for years to come. Up next in 4th place is the Full Throttle Aqua Extreme. Get ready to elevate your wakeboarding game with the Full Throttle Aqua Extreme wakeboard. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the wakeboarding world, this board is designed to deliver a thrilling experience for riders of all levels, with a special focus on beginners and intermediates. Featuring multiple defined channels running from the tip to the nose, this board offers unmatched stability and precise edge control, giving you the confidence to take on new challenges and push your limits. It has a continuous rocker design that ensures a smooth and effortless lift off the wake, while also providing a more laid-back turn that's perfect for riders looking to ease into the tricks. That's not all. This wakeboard comes with lace-up boots that guarantee a comfortable and secure fit. The boots boast a quick tighten lace system, making it a breeze to get ready for action in no time. What's more, the boots have a universal sizing that fits men's shoe sizes 7 to 13, ensuring a hassle-free experience for everyone. With 2 removable fins for added versatility, this wakeboard is an ideal choice for riders weighing 155 pounds and up. So whether you're aiming to conquer the wake or simply cruise in style, this wakeboard has got you covered. Its pros are: it comes complete with a pair of universal size boots, ensuring a perfect fit for men's shoe sizes ranging from 7 to 13. It features a floating EVA toe, which allows you to effortlessly navigate through waves and choppy waters. And its molded EVA heels on the boots offer a superior grip. However, its boots are somewhat lacking in durability and overall construction. The Full Throttle Aqua Extreme wakeboard is the perfect fit for beginners and intermediate riders who want a versatile and fun wakeboarding experience. Still haven't found a wakeboard that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Rave Sports Impact. Looking for a wakeboard that fits you or your kids' needs perfectly? Meet the Rave Sports Impact wakeboard, a fantastic choice tailored for riders weighing under 125 pounds. This forgiving board is designed with continuous rockers, ensuring excellent stability, predictability, and effortless control, allowing for smoother landings and a more enjoyable wakeboarding experience. With its optimal length of 48 inches, it's the ideal match for those under 125 pounds, ensuring a perfect fit for younger or lighter riders. Built to endure countless thrilling rides, this board boasts a durable construction using high-quality materials that are not only strong but also flexible and lightweight. Its foam core adds extra buoyancy, making it a breeze to stay afloat and ride the waves with ease. That's not all. Safety and resilience go hand in hand with this wakeboard too. as reinforced impact-resistant side rails run along the entire edge, providing essential protection for the foam core while enhancing overall durability. To top it all off, this product makes transport and storage simpler with the 2 removable fins. And if you're looking to fine-tune your skills, you even have the option to ride without fins, perfect for practicing edge control and better utilizing the rail. Overall, this is an awesome companion if you want to enjoy the massive waves on your next vacation. Its pros are: its impact-resistant side rails run the entire edge of the board to protect the foam core and provide extra durability. Its bindings easily attach to the board using mounting screws, allowing for effortless adjustments. And it comes with 2 extra fins for the bottom of your new wakeboard should you want greater stability. However, it's specifically designed for lighter wakeboarders, limiting its use. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, the Rave Sports Impact Wakeboard has got your back with its superior stability, durability, and user-friendly features. The second product on this list is the O'Brien System. If you're ready to take your wakeboarding skills to the next level, then look no further than the incredible O'Brien System wakeboard paired with clutch bindings. The perfect package to get you started on your thrilling water adventures. Designed for performance without breaking the bank, this wakeboard features a continuous rocker that ensures stability on the water and predictability off the wake, making it an ideal choice for riders of all levels. The board's dual channels at the tip and tail, along with the center-mounted attack fins, guarantee precise tracking and effortless edging, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride every time. Not only is this wakeboard built for performance, but it also boasts an extra buoyant foam core that makes it incredibly easy to get up and out of the water. This feature is particularly helpful for beginners, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free start to their wakeboarding journey. What's more, with thoughtful design elements like dual molded channels for optimized water flow, removable Attack 1.4 center fins for customization, and ultra-lightweight open-toe binding design with dual-zone laces and cinching lace locks, this wakeboard package truly stands out. Its pros are: it features internal J-bars that eliminate any unwanted movement in the bindings. Its continuous rocker with an even curve from tip to tail enhances performance and allows for seamless transitions between tricks, and it features a feather core and grab rail, adding to the overall quality and functionality. However, it's less suitable for advanced or experienced wakeboarders who are seeking a more aggressive and high-performance board. The System wakeboard is designed with a focus on accessibility and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate riders. It's an amazing choice if you want to experience the thrill and excitement of the water like never before. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best wakeboard for beginners is the Hyperlite State 2.0. If you want to explore the wonders of the ocean, you definitely want the best equipment. And this is where the Hyperlite State 2.0 wakeboard stands out. With its monocoque construction, this wakeboard integrates the top and bottom fiberglass layers into one, resulting in a stronger and long-lasting board, ensuring it can withstand side impacts and prevent delamination over time. Paired with layered glass, this wakeboard maintains consistent pop-off the double-up year after year, as the fiberglass is available in 3 varying weights depending on the board's design. This wakeboard boasts molded-in fins that are an integral part of the board shape, delivering added stability and solid edge hold for unmatched control during your ride. This, combined with the BioLite 3 core, renowned as the gold standard in the industry, ensures an exceptionally lightweight and durable formula that surpasses all expectations. That's not all. This wakeboard is designed with an asymmetrical design featuring different shapes on each side of the board, catering to beginners and enhancing toe side edging. This makes it a versatile choice for riders of all levels. What's more, it features M6 inserts that further enhance the board's performance, delivering a more secure fit of bolts to inserts, ensuring better bolt retention and keeping binding hardware locked down. So, if you're looking for the most comprehensive and reliable wakeboard around, this is the way to go. Its pros are: it is equipped with molded-in fins and foot risers for enhanced stability and control in the water. It features an asymmetrical continuous rocker, providing versatile ride characteristics for various levels of wakeboarders. It includes molded-in toe side foot bed risers that elevate the board's top deck shape under the toe side platform, and it features Hyper Plush rear flex zone that provides maximum flexibility and cushioning at the back of the wakeboard bindings. However, its available aesthetics are limited to black and red colors. The Hyperlite State 2.0 wakeboard is an excellent choice for wakeboarders of all skill levels, but it's particularly good for beginners who seek a stable and high-performing board with versatile ride characteristics. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.